second grade class, and we are your hosts for our second awards assembly. Hi, I'm Kylie Sensing. My first awards are the Wildcats of the Month and our Service of Self. The Wildcat of the Month is given to 2 students in first grade, second grade, and third grade. The Service of Self award goes to a third grader who gives back in some way. Here's our counselor, Mr. Graber, to present these awards.
Morning Wildcats, Mr. Graber here. So we are here to announce the awards for the month of October. So we'll start with our Service Above Self Award, and we always appreciate the sponsorship of the Rotary Club. So this month's recipient goes to a third grade student who goes above and beyond, and this month's award winner is Finnegan Parkhurst. Congratulations, Finnegan. Our next awards are our Wildcats of the Month, and we want to thank the sponsorship of Excalibur Contracting for their sponsorship of our program. So we'll begin with our first grade Wildcats of the Month, and our recipients this month are Jonah McGee and Adelaide Campbell. Our second grade Wildcats of the Month are Braden Bass and Reese McInnes. And finally, our third grade Wildcats of the Month are Alex Hunter and Inslee Morris. Congratulations to all of our Wildcat of the Month winners. And finally, Mrs. Sumner and I as counselors pick a class every month that we feel demonstrates kindness and hard work and making great choices. So this month, I selected the second grade class of Miss Parker for all that they contribute to counseling class.
I'm Dom, and I want to tell you about our Bright Future Blue Barrel collection for November. We are collecting winter pajamas, both new and very gently used.
Hi, I am Laura Peters. I am the Bright Futures chair for the council here at HES. This year we're doing something new, and teachers are nominating a Bright Futures Kid of the Quarter. This kid is somebody that their teacher has noticed has gone above and beyond making a difference in our community. This quarter's winner is Nathan Hunter from Miss Hearn's first grade class. Congratulations.
Hi, I'm Joe. Next up are our Character Trait Awards. The Character Trait Awards are given to 2 students chosen by their classroom teacher who have exhibited responsibilities during the month of October. Here's our principal, Ms. Sharp, to announce this month's winners.
Hi Wildcats, I'm here to introduce the character traits for October. Kinley Call, Gabriel Lightfoot, Ryan Noland, Avery Messplay, Avery Fordyce, Henry Hester, Whitley Larimore, Zane Everhart, Quincy Flagel, Wyatt Flowers, Isabella Gailey, Colt Litchfield, Raylan Villanueva, Cohen Daniels, Lyle McClanahan, Rowan Stafford, Malachi Francis, Mahaya Jones, Kaiser Holt, Evelyn Roach, Levi Knox, Layla Reynolds, Elizabeth Newsham, Oliver Moreland, Bryson Westover, Lily Tomlinson, Samantha Killingsworth, Talon Vassar, Ava Coakley, Tommy Hall, Bentley Brown, Storm Taylor, Lazarus Bollinger, Blake Taylor, Ray Rogers, Wyatt Butler, Gunnar McCubbin, Varick Warner, Dawson Babb, Easton Moore, Maverick Doe, Kensley Dunbar, Olivia Brummett, and Kyson Schleem. Great job, guys.
I'm Armani, and I want to thank all the families who came to Culver's Night in October. We raised $1,500 at the event, which will help us have so much fun at our field day in May. I'm Iris, and our Mathematicians of the Month is the next award. This award is given to one student chosen by the classroom teacher that has done an outstanding job within math over the past month. Here's Assistant Principal Mr. Hall to come and announce our winners.
Thank you. I'm excited to announce our Mathematicians of the Month for October. For first grade, we have Haley McKernan, Caden Stearns, Caden Riley, Ellie Hutzel, Dakota Whitcraft, Cooper Saunders, Matthew Dickman. For 2nd grade, we have DJ Garcia Resendez, Angel Guzman, Zoe Stanley, Peyton Chenoweth, John Ekstrom, Soraya Kinney, and Max Rain. 3rd grade, we have Lane Parrish, Armani Hampton, Carly Garrett, Xander Dennis, Jackson Parkhurst, Dayla Huff, Samuel Boyd, Alexis Saldana, and Ben Gnetzel. Congrats, guys!
I'm Storm, and here to introduce our special teachers to present their awards. Here are Mrs. Holman, Mrs. Norman, Coach McInnes, and Mrs. Lawman.
Hello HES, Coach Mack here, and I'm excited to announce the recipients of the PE Sportsmanship Award for the month of October. So the 1st grade class recipient is Miss Hearn's class, the 2nd grade class recipient is Miss Hastings' class, and the 3rd grade class recipient is Miss Hammond's class. Congratulations, Wildcats! Keep up the great work!
Hi Wildcats! I would like to share with you our Musicians of the Month for the month of October. In 1st grade we have Nora Bowman in Mrs. Brown's class. And in 2nd grade we have Case Davis in Mrs. Crooky's class. And in 3rd grade we have Piper Deerdorf in Mrs. Hammond's class. Congratulations!
Hello Wildcats! I'm so excited to announce the classes who displayed amazing creativity for the month of October. Congratulations to Mrs. Brown, Mrs. Selesky's, and Mrs. Kirch's classes. Have a great day!
Hi Wildcats, this is Mrs. Lawman from the library, and today the class I enjoy having come to the library, they meet my expectations of being kind and respectful, goes to Mrs. Knight, 2nd grade class. Congratulations, Mrs. Knight's class.
Finally, I'm Titus, and we want to remind you about Thanksgiving break. At the end of this month, there's no school on November 27th and November 28th and November 29th.
My favorite thing is writing. My favorite thing is math. My favorite thing is reading Goku books.
My favorite thing is recess.
My favorite thing is math. My favorite thing is reading.
My favorite thing is lunch and recess.
My favorite thing is playing with my friends.
My favorite thing is spelling.
My favorite thing is math.
My favorite thing is also math.
My favorite thing is math, reading, and writing.
My favorite thing is math. My favorite thing is reading.
My favorite thing is reading.
My favorite thing is recess.
My favorite thing is PE.
My favorite thing is art.
My favorite thing is math play club.
My favorite thing is writing.
My favorite thing is math.
My favorite thing is math.